How to invite collaborators on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now simply tap on post. Now select the photo you want to upload. Now tap on next. Again tap on next. Now simply tap on tag people. Then tap on invite collaborators. Now search for the company or brand. Now tap on the account and tap on next. Now click on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.